I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need clarity and momentum now. Pick a niche and choose a tech stack so you stop being generic. Once chosen, register a simple business entity, open a bank account, and create a one-page contract you can reuse. Simultaneously, build a portfolio site showcasing 2-3 live projects plus a lead form. Make sure your contact flow captures emails and project budget ranges. Start outreach this week using focused messaging tailored to that niche. Now scale beyond one-off gigs by creating systems that reduce decision friction. Set clear pricing templates and a proposal outline so you can send quotes in under 1 day. Explain scope, timeline, and payment terms. Then implement an onboarding checklist, intake form, kickoff call, milestone schedule, and invoice timing so every client knows what to expect. Once done, run a disciplined sales cadence combining targeted outreach, follow-ups, and 1 or 2 weekly content pieces to attract inbound leads. You finish projects reliably by enforcing milestones and a QA checklist. Make sure to collect client feedback at delivery so you can iterate on process. To scale, hire contractors for repetitive tasks, document SOPs, and add automation for billing and project tracking. This multiplies capacity without breaking quality. If growth stalls, run a focused troubleshooting audit. Check pricing vs value, conversion rates on proposals, and which lead sources actually convert. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.